guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, what we'll be doing here, we'll apply to Ford Edge and Lincoln MKX guys. If you have guys any of the following 6 codes, you can see them in the corner of the video above guys. I'm talking about code P0201 all the way to 206. Okay, all these 6 codes guys, stay with us and we'll explain what causes that and how to fix it guys. Quick introduction, every single car we get at the shop, including this generation Ford Edge guys, we make at least 200 videos. Why we guys take our cars completely apart? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now if you guys need to buy any tools, okay, to scan your system, replacement parts, anything like that we use in the video, check out the links in the description of the video below guys. All that is there for your convenience. So we have guys a 2009 Ford Edge guys, 2009 Ford Edge that we'll be working on. As you know, Lincoln MKX uses the same platform, same engine, so the same will apply to it as well. So we'll go inside guys and I want to show you. Okay, first thing, let me go ahead actually and connect the OBD scanner. If you're on the market for a good, reliable, cheap scanner, check out this one guys. We'll have the link in the description of the video below. Find your OBD port under the steering wheel, connect it guys. Okay, right there, it's loading. Now I want to show you something before we start scanning the system. Okay, let me show you something guys here. We're going to go ahead, okay, and start the car. Okay, let me just move the steering wheel a little bit towards the front. Okay, I hate when it's too close. Perfect. Now right here guys, you can notice our engine light is on guys. Engine light just stays on, no matter what you do, it's there guys, and it will be there. Now the car will feel like it's misfiring a little bit and it will feel like it doesn't have much power guys. So what we're going to do, we'll go ahead, turn the car off. Okay, I want to show you. Okay, listen now what it sounds again. So we turn it off, we turn the ignition back on. Now the scanner is right here guys, and we're going to scan the system and see what we have now. So let's figure it out quick guys. It's loading now, it will take just a little bit of time. So codes found 1. Okay, now we'll share very helpful information with you and we'll explain what needs to be done guys. Click read codes. Check stored and pending codes. You may have a few codes. The code that we have is P0204 guys. Okay, right there. You can see P. Okay, that's the code right there, P0204 guys. So what that means, okay, injector circuit open on cylinder number 4. Now I'll go back, I'll click pending codes. What do we have there? The same thing guys. Now if you drive it for a long time, you may get a misfire code for that cylinder. Should be something like 304 for a misfire on that cylinder. We'll go ahead, open the hood guys. Okay, and I'll go outside and show you, okay, what we need to do to fix that now. So we open the hood guys. Okay, this is the engine right here. Same 3.5 engine is used on Lincoln MKX and it's used guys in Ford Edge as well. That 3.5 engine, you may have the 3.7, procedure will be about the same as well. Now looking at it guys, okay, you have 3 cylinders on the front side, 3 on the back side, known as okay, you have cylinder number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So checking this thing out guys, okay, fuel injectors are right there. These are the fuel injectors guys, and we have problems with the fuel injector obviously guys on our car. So what causes that now guys? Okay, you can see those are the fuel injectors. This is cylinder number 4, 5 and 6. We have more about the cylinder numbering on the channel, but 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3 is towards the back. Now most likely guys, you either have a broken wire, loose connector. Okay, make sure that the connector is not loose, reconnect it again, inspect the pins, or you have a bad fuel injector guys. That could happen as well, burnt fuel injector. Now if you want to see the video on the channel how to remove and how to replace fuel injectors on Ford Edge guys, okay, it will be the same for Lincoln MKX, but we have the video on Ford Edge. Just search for it guys and you'll be able to find it and you'll see how to do it. Today's video guys is to show you how to fix that code. So we'll go ahead, replace the injector and see if that takes care of the problem. So we guys are done with installing the injector. Now I'll go inside and I want to show you how that will take care of the problem. I'll start the car and listen how smooth now it runs compared to what it was before. I turn it off, I turn the ignition on only, guys, and you can see how smooth that thing is. So we go back, we click now, guys. Okay, right there, erase codes. Now you can see, guys, if we start the car again, okay, engine light should be off, guys. Engine light should be off and the car should run fine. So that definitely takes care of the problem, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.